Hello, in this video we will use matrix solution for a decay model regression. And the equation that we will use is in the form of y equals b all over 1 plus ax. And we'll calculate the estimate y, which is in this form, and draw the trendline equation in the chart. First, we begin with the existing data set. We have a data set here, we draw the chart, and it's a line chart which is a decaying chart. So there's a decay where the value starts from 0.27 or 2.7 and goes down to 0.27. We will calculate the coefficients a and b and draw the trendline equation. So the equation is y in the form of y equals 1 over well, all over 1 plus ax. Taking the reciprocal, you have 1 over y equals 1 plus ax all over b. And factoring out, you have 1 over y equals 1 over b plus ax over b. Converting it into the matrix form, you have 1 over y equals 1 comma x because we have factored out the reciprocals. And the reciprocal will be 1 over b semicolon a over b. And this second matrix, which is 1 over b semicolon a over b, in the form of b0 semicolon b1, which is intercept and the slope respectively. So let's convert or transform our data set into its linear form. So we have our array formula 1 over the y values. Next, we convert the 1 comma x matrix. So we have 1, that's a 1 column, and the x matrix, which is our array formula of the x values. Now that we have transformed the data into its linear form, we can now calculate for the intercept of data y and data x. And we calculate for the slope, which is equal to slope of data y and data x. Our b0 will be equal to our b1, or value b is 1 over b0, which is this value. And our value for a equals b times b1. Now we can use these values of a and b in the equation. So estimated y will be 4.05 over 1 plus 1 plus 3.1.344 x. We will use these values to complete our trend line equation, which is equal to uh, b divided by 1 plus a times x. And we lock the references. So we lock the reference K8 and K6. Now we can drag or copy this formula to the rest of the column. Now that we have completed the estimated y values, we can insert this trend line into the chart. So we edit the chart and add a series into the chart, which is this trend line. So here in red, you have the trend line. In blue, you have the existing data set. This completes the matrix solution for decay model regression using slope